Okay, so let me. Mhm. I will share my screen with audio. All right. Okay, so the last time we studied about letter I introduction and a holidays vocabulary. So we are done with number 4. And today we are going to continue with number 5. All right.
Yeah.
So in this number 5, what did you do in the summer? All right. So I want you to write 3 sentences using the past simple
How do I
tense.
write?
Okay. You just write down if you have a paper there.
I
Okay.
have paper here.
Pen and paper. All right. Or you
I
just
don't have
can just type it
no
on the chat box.
three sentences. Three sentences.
Yes.
Games.
Write 3 sentences. Use the past simple.
Um. Wait. We learned this. We learned this. No, we learned this part already.
This
We
is
learned.
the. Mhm.
No, we
No,
learned this part already.
not yet. If we learned that
No,
already,
we
tell me
did
what
it.
is tell
We
me
did
what is
it
your
last
answer.
time. We did it. We
No,
did it.
I'm not your teacher the last time. That's teacher Janet. This
Yeah, but
is the
we
last
did.
part. The
Teach.
last part. Okay, Naman. I'm so sorry. Seaweed, please listen. All right. So the last time you had with teacher Janet, and the last time I am your teacher, and the last time that we tackled was number 4. All right. So now we are going to continue with number 5. Okay. So if you remember that you did this before, let's just have a review. Okay?
A
Okay.
review.
Just write 3 sentences about what did you do in the summer. All right? Use the past simple. Okay?
Fine.
Thank you, Seaweed.
Um, in the summer, I I I went on a trip with my parents.
Okay, can you please type it
No,
in
can we
our
say it? Can we
Okay.
say it? It's more
Okay.
convenient.
Okay. Let me type it for you. All right, once more. In the summer,
I went on a trip with my parents.
I went on the trip
A trip.
with my parents. All right, next.
I'm kind of grumpy today, so my voice might raise anytime.
Okay, next. What is your next sentence? What did you do in summer?
I got a new cat.
Okay, next.
I I played with my cat.
I played with my cat. Okay, so let's have number 1 in the summer. I went on a trip with my parents. Next, I got a new cat. And lastly, I played with my cat. All right. Thank you very much for your example sentence. And yes, this is a correct sentence, and this one, and also here. All right. Thank you very much for participating. Well, Seaweed, now, do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, this time let's go to the next one. This is IB grammar, present tense contrast. All right, so you can use different tenses to talk about the present and the future. All right, so are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a number one. You are going to choose which is the right present and future tense. All right, can you please read number one?
Um. What do you do? What are you doing tonight?
Okay, what is the right or correct tense?
What are you doing tonight?
What are
I'm
you
staying
doing?
at home.
Okay, what are you doing tonight? That is correct. And next, I stay or I'm staying at home.
I'm staying. I told you. I said
Okay.
it one time
All right. So,
in a
yes,
row.
this is correct. All right. Let's
Can you
have the next one. Okay. Can you please read number two?
can you text me when you're getting home? The sun is rising in the east and is setting and sets and
I'm
is setting
sorry.
in
Can
the
you
west.
please repeat the first one?
Can you text me when you're getting home? The sun is rising and in the east and is setting in the west. Is that alright?
Okay. So, your answer for number two is, can you text me when you're getting home? Am I right? Is that your answer here for number
Yeah,
two? Okay.
yeah.
So, this time, the correct answer is get. All right. So, can you text me when you get home?
Are you sure about
Okay.
that?
Are you sure with your answer?
I'm
Yes,
pretty
I'm.
sure. But are
Yes,
you sure?
I am sure with my answer. Are you sure with your answer?
If if I was correct, what would you do?
I will give you a trophy.
Nah,
Okay. But this time, the correct answer is get. Okay.
you still wanna make sure that?
Okay. Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay. So remember, the answer is get. Next, number three. All right. So the sun rises or is rising in the east. And your answer is rising. All right. So the correct answer here is rises. The sun
I
rises.
haven't even learned this in my school. Do you expect me to know this?
Okay, Sivid. I'm telling you what is the correct answer so you can take down notes.
Nope.
Okay? For
I
you
don't
to
even have
learn,
notes.
we are not having a competition here. We are practicing. Okay? I'm telling you the correct answer for you to take down notes So you will know the correct answer and you can use that in the future for your future sentences. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So don't feel bad when I will say the correct answer.
Feel bad? Do you know what that is?
All right,
Feel bad is when
seaweed.
you feel sad for someone and you want to help them. That's feel bad.
We are helping each other here, okay?
But
So
do you even know what feel bad? Do you know what that is?
it's okay if you don't know the answer.
I
That's
said
why
not.
I'm telling you the correct answer, okay?
Yeah, but do you know what even feel bad is? Like, do you understand its meaning?
What's the meaning of it?
Well, you tell me first.
I told you not to feel bad when I say the correct answer. Do you understand the
Feeling
sentence?
bad is when you feel sad for someone, so you want to help them. You want to help them, but you
Yes, that is
only feel
why I'm
sad for them.
telling you the correct answer, right?
I am not upset. I can. I am not up. I am not sad about getting
Because
getting the answer.
you're saying a while ago that are you sure with your answer? That is not the right question to your teacher.
I'm just checking
Okay?
your courage. I'm, I'm
That
just
is
checking.
not a correct question to your teacher. That is
Yes,
not a proper way.
I am just only
Okay?
checking your courage. I'm testing you.
All right. That's good to hear that you don't feel upset when I'm telling you the correct answer. All right. So remember, it is okay if you didn't learn this from your school because we are here to practice. All right. And if you want, you can take down notes so you have your answer, your correct answer that you can use in the future. Okay.
Fine.
All right. So now let's move on to the next one. Here, all right. So, and the sun rises, is rising in the east and sets or is setting in the west. And your answer was is setting. All right. So this time, the correct answer is sets. Okay. Let me read the correct sentences. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Next, let's go to number 4. Can you please try to answer number 4? Please read. See, read.
Um. Yes. Mm, w- why
Mm-hmm. Why?
are you? Why do you laugh? It isn't funny. My dad leaves home every day at 8 o'clock. My sister always borrow my clothes. It's really annoying.
Okay, seaweed. Let's just stick for number 4 first. Okay, so your answer for number 4 is do you laugh? Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see. Why do you laugh or are you laughing? It isn't funny. All right, so your answer is do you laugh? The correct answer here, seaweed, is
It,
are you laughing?
wait.
Okay.
I don't understand. Wait. You see, rising, laughing. You corrected. The sun rises, not rising. And now I said, why do you laugh? Not are you laughing? And then you correct the are you laughing? Rising, laughing, in. Why don't you correct the laugh? Correct, not laughing is wrong. You you said that. Rising, laughing. It's
It depends
depend.
on the sentences. That
The
is
same.
why you are going or we are going to have a different tenses to talk about the present and the future. Okay? So
Yes.
the correct answer is, why are you laughing? It isn't funny. All right. Please take down notes for that, seaweed. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, let's go to number 5. Can you please read number 5?
My dad is my dad leaves home every day at 8 o'clock.
Okay. Your answer is lives. My dad lives home every day at 8 o'clock. And your answer is correct. All right. So you got the correct answer for number 5. Next, let's practice number 6. Can you please read?
My sister, my sister always borrows my clothes. It's really annoying.
Okay, so your answer is always borrows. All right. So let's see. My sister is always borrows slash is always borrowing my clothes. It's really annoying. All right. This time, seaweed, the correct answer is always borrowing.
What do you mean
Okay.
by that? What do
My
you
okay.
you again gonna say depends? Like I understand now, but are are you laughing? Is leaving? Is always?
Is always borrowing.
Yeah, but it starts with an is. My dad leaves is always also starts with an is. Why is the number 5 and number 6 have the different answers?
Okay, because this is a present tense. That is why we are going to put is if we are talking about a subject. All right, the subject is your sister. My sister is always borrowing my clothes. It's really annoying. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Next, let's go to number 7. Can you please read and try to answer?
Number 7?
Mm-hmm.
Where's number 7? I don't see it on my screen.
Can you see this one? Let me
What
underline.
what time
Okay.
what time does your train? No. I think it's your train arriving.
Mm-hmm. Is your train arriving?
Yeah.
What time is your train arriving?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Maybe.
Okay. Let's have the correct answer. So the correct answer is, does your train arrive? Okay. So what time does your train arrive? We are talking about time. That's why we are going to use does, not is. Okay? So the correct answer is, what time does your train arrive? Okay, seaweed?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's go to number two. All right. So in number two, match sentences from 1 to 7 in exercise 1 with the uses of tenses below. All right. So let's try this time. Let's have present simple. Okay, let's match. Let's try
I
to.
haven't learned this.
Yes, that is why we are going to advance your learning about the present and past tenses. Okay?
Whatever.
We are learning tonight. It's not just because you learned that from your school. All right? So that's why you're having a online class for you to have an advanced learning. All right? So it is easy for you to answer in the future at school. Okay? Hello, Seaweed.
Yeah.
Are you willing to participate or do you want to talk about something
Something
that
else.
makes you relax?
Yeah. Something that
Okay.
makes me relax.
Okay. All right. So what do you want to talk about?
Animals. That's all.
All right. So since you want to talk about animals, can you give me an example of an animal that you know?
Mostly cats.
Cats. Okay. What do you know about cats?
Cats. They are misted with 9 lives.
I am so sorry. I didn't catch that.
They 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 once have been the signature or the most favorite animal of Egypt.
Hmm. That sounds interesting. All right. How many cats do you have again?
Two,
Two cats. How old are they?
they're both 1 or 2.
Oh, that's nice. Do you sleep with them?
Yeah,
Hmm. Where are they now?
in our home.
Hmm. Be- so you're not at your home now?
I'm not. I'm in my home.
Okay. All right. I thought you were outside because you said they're at in your home. Okay. So what do you know about cats? How about how they what they call this? How do they sleep? Do they sleep at night more or on a daytime?
They are like a night owl. They are active at um the night time.
Mm-hmm. How many hours do they sleep?
Um, 10 hours.
Okay. That's nice to hear. How about what else do you know about cats? Can
They're
can
cute.
you share it? Because
They're cute.
I don't have cats. That's why I don't know anything about cats.
Yeah.
Hmm. Can you please tell me the things that you know about cats since you like animals?
Um, cats. What I know about cats?
Mm-hmm.
Eh, I think they're cute. I think that's all I have to say. Haha. Hee hee. Hoo hoo. Woo hoo hoo. Woo wah ha ha.
Okay. What about the other animals?
No, I only like cats.
Oh, okay. So how about mm, how about your cats? Are they girl or boy?
Both females. Have you asked this before?
I don't remember. Maybe I didn't ask before. How about dogs? Do you like dogs?
No, I hate dogs.
Why you
What's
hate
my most
dogs?
hated animal on the list? Even though puppies are cute, cats, kittens are cuter.
Mm-hmm. Why you don't like dogs? Why you don't like dogs?
Because I don't like their loud nose.
Mm-hmm. All right. So what else do you research about animals?
I only research about cats and that's all.
Mm-hmm. What did you research about cats?
Why did I research about cats?
What do you search about cats?
Um, I I only search pictures of. I mean, I like cats, but I'm like I just find them cute, so I decide to research about their cuteness.
Mm, that's nice to hear. All right. How about rabbit? Do you like rabbits?
I find rabbits cute, but I don't like them.
Mm. How about hamsters?
Hamsters. I
Mm-hmm.
like hamsters, but I I don't think
Mm-hmm.
yeah I don't think I I don't like hamsters anymore.
Mm-hmm.
I
Mm.
just like hamsters.
Okay. So, what do you do during your free time, Seaweed?
Um, what do you mean?
Or do you play with your cats?
Yeah,
Do you go to the park with your cats?
no, they are very hostile.
Oh, I see. Okay. So, do you put clothes on your cats just like
No,
the others?
no,
How about their food? Who prepares their food?
um, always me.
Do you buy their food
No,
or
my
do you
dad.
cook? Do you buy outside or do you
My dad
cook?
orders the food.
Mm. All right. So what else do you want to talk about? Because you don't want to uh, talk about our lesson for tonight.
Um, talk about anything.
Can you give an example? Can you give the idea on what
Like
do you want to
about
talk about?
our lives. How are we doing? Like,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, that I think you can't ask me anything about animals.
Mm-hmm. I'm asking you a while ago, but you said you just want to talk about cats. That's why I'm asking what else do you know
Yeah,
about animals, right?
yeah. So you can ask me anything more because Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You can ask me anything, but I'm gonna can I ask you questions?
Mm-hmm. Yes, but not animals.
I'm just gonna ask you questions.
Okay. What are those questions?
How old are you? I'm just gonna ask randomly.
Okay. I am 37 years old.
27.
37.
Oh, 47.
Mm-hmm. How about you? How old are you?
I am 10.
What is your favorite subject? Seaweed.
Math. I mean English. Um, English.
Mm-hmm.
English. Art and exercise.
Arts and exercise. Do you have
Yeah.
a subject named exercise? Or do you mean PE?
P. Yeah.
Okay, that's physical education. Okay, take down notes for that. It's not a subject named exercise.
Yeah.
It's PE, physical education. All right, so why do you like math?
No, I said I don't like math.
Okay, I'm so sorry.
I didn't even mention it.
Mm-hmm. And again, what is your favorite subject? Is it English?
English, art, and PE.
Why do you like art?
Because I know how to draw and I enjoy drawing.
I'm sorry?
I enjoy drawing.
Oh, you mean you enjoyed drawing. Okay. How about PE? Why do you like PE subject?
Because I'm good at it. I'm a team leader. I'm a
Mm,
team leader and I'm proud of that and I'm happy.
What kind of exercises that you do during your physical education subject?
What exercise? Jumping ropes.
Jumping ropes. I see. All right. So, what else? Do you run like do you have other fitness like running or jogging?
Um, Running, jogging. Yeah, our school doesn't have that.
Only jumping rope?
No, we also have exercises, fun mini games, and blah blah blah. Lots of stuff.
What are the blah blah blah? Do you
Blah
go
blah
s-
blah. I forgot.
do you go swimming during your physical education subject?
No,
How about other sports?
other sports. Nope. I don't think I like.
Yeah, but it is included in your physical education. Like, for example,
No, but they are not included.
okay, so your country is different. All right, because other country they do volleyball, they do basketball.
Yeah.
How about club at school? What club?
Club. Also
Club.
art
Art club. I
or
see.
craft.
Mm. Have you experienced to join to any art exhibit?
Exhibits.
Mm-hmm.
I don't
Exhibit.
understand what exhibit because I forgot.
Okay. Do a research for that. That is your homework. Okay. You research about the word exhibit. That's another homework for you. Okay. So we're going to talk about that next time. And I will also take down notes for that.
Yeah.
Exhibit. Okay. Research about exhibit, art exhibit. So we are going to talk about that next time. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So next, why do you like English?
Because it has science, and I love science, and science include animals.
How do you say that English subject has a science subject?
It has science subject.
What do you learn about science when you are studying English subject?
I learned about physics, logic, logic or something. Yeah, most of them.
Okay. How about animals? Do you learn about animals in English subject?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
Oh, that's nice that you have an English subject with science subject. You have two in one subject.
Yeah.
That's good to hear. All right. How about seaweed in the future? Do you have plans to study abroad?
I don't have friends.
Since you like animals, do you
Yeah.
have any plans to be a veterinarian in the future?
What? Veterinarian? No.
Veterinarian. So take down notes for that word and research for that. That's another homework for you. Veterinarian. Okay, so that's a doctor for animals. Mhm.
Uh,
Take down notes for that. It will include it for your homework. So we can talk about that next time. Okay?
yeah.
All right. So since we are talking about a doctor of animals, do you have any plans
Hmm.
to be a doctor of animals in the future? Because you've said you like animals.
Yeah, but I rather be a cashier.
Oh, cashier. Why do you want to be a cashier?
It's easy.
How do you say it's easy? What do you know about being cashier?
Um, how do I know English?
How do you know about being cashier? Because you mentioned being cashier is easy.
Um,
How do you
it's
say that?
easy.
Mm-hmm. How
Yeah.
do you
You,
say
I'm
being cashier
gonna
is easy?
be a cashier. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
cashier at a school and
What
sell things and stuff, which I will have a whole um I will have a whole bucket.
What do you know about being cashier?
Um, you just one catch. You gotta learn math, but it's gonna be easy since it's only some yeah.
Okay, can you please tell me what cashier do?
What a cashier do?
Mm-hmm.
They sell stuff. Yeah,
They are not selling stuff because they are cashier.
yeah they
They
sell
are not in the selling. Mm-hmm. Research for that. Okay, that's another homework for you.
yeah.
Okay? You are please take down notes cashier job description since you want to be a cashier in the future. All
I
right?
always remember. I always remember.
Okay. All right. Because you mentioned that being cashier is easy. That's why I'm asking you.
Yeah, but
What do you know about being
I'm
cashier?
not an adult yet,
Mm-hmm.
so
Yeah.
I don't actually know how to get the job. But I simply think that being a cashier is easy.
Mm-hmm. That's why that's another homework for you. Research about cashier job description. Okay? We were
Okay,
we were going to talk about that next time. All
okay,
right? I'm taking down notes all The ideas that you want to talk about, all the topics that you want to talk about, because you don't want to talk about the book that I have here. Okay? So
Yeah.
since you want to know about exhibit and you want to know about veterinarian and also cashier job description, that's your homework. So we are
Um,
going to talk about that next time. All right. So what else do you want to talk about?
only animals, I think, because or science or logic or physics. Physics. I haven't learned physics yet. Like what grade is physics in?
Again, I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. What physics?
Um, what grade is physics in?
What grade is physics?
Yeah, like
Is
which grade do I learn physics?
that's for grade 10.
Oh my lord.
Mhm. You still have more years. But if you want, you can search for it so you are going to have an advanced learning
Yeah,
like what I'm teaching you from the different tenses to talk about the present and the future. However, you refuse to talk about that because you've said that you didn't learn that yet at school. Remember, you don't need to learn everything at school. We are here. You are here. You have your online English class for you to have an advanced learning. Okay?
yeah.
All right. Okay, so what else do you want to talk about?
Um, I I I think we sit here for a moment because it's pretty loud and your voice is also pretty loud. I just wanna like rest a little bit.
Is it loud?
Yes, pretty loud and I can't lower my volume.
It's not loud here
Well,
in my side.
it is for me.
Mm. Okay, what else you want to talk about, Seaweed?
Mm, I can I repeat it? Can we sit here for 5 minutes or lower? Because I just wanna like rest my mouth. I'm feeling like an odd feeling in my mouth.
No, because we are running out of time. You need to study. You need to speak in English.
I just wanna rest my mouth a little bit. It's not that much of a time. Maybe a
Okay,
bit. Is that okay for you?
if that's okay for you, then it's okay.
Yes.
Just let me know when you're ready, okay?
Yes. It will be quick. All right. I'm ready. I'm ready for another lesson. All right. So I'm just gonna ask you some simple questions about you. Again, do you have a pet? Do you have any pets?
Yeah, I had one pet before I have a dog.
Oh, what is it? What?
He is a Shih Tzu breed,
Oh,
but he passed away 2 months ago.
why?
He got sick and his body didn't take medicine anymore. He don't want to take any medicine. That's
Oh,
why.
poor him.
hmm He got ill and it gets worsened and he passed away.
Yeah.
How about your cats? Is that your first pet?
Mm, Orange isn't my first cat. Just another one we call it school, but it 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 got sent away by my evil grandmother.
You're evil? I'm sorry?
My evil grandmother.
Oh, don't say those words. That's bad. Don't say evil to your grandmother, okay?
Yeah, I'm just joking.
Don't joke about your grandmother. They are old enough to talk about like something like that. Okay. It's just a reminder, okay? So what happened? What did your
Um,
grandmother?
she it was my sister's my sister my sister pet, so my grandmother to, could take it away. But since the later two cats was my dad's, she don't have permission to take it away.
Mm, I see. That's sad to know. Mm-hmm. So orange is your first pet. Am I right?
Yeah, no,
Okay.
no. School is my first pet, but it's from my sister. Orange is
Mm.
my first dad's pet.
Oh, I see. All right. So, how was the first time that you had a cat? What did you do the first day?
I was very happy. I couldn't stop patting him. Like it was uncontrollably so. Oh my lord, beautiful. He was such an angel, and I couldn't stop staring at him. He was so cute. Until the next day, my grandmother just took him away, and
Mm-hmm.
I never seen him again.
That's sad.
Then
Mm-hmm.
I,
Then,
I forgot to mention the first pet that is called Black.
color black. I see. What a nice color.
No,
All right.
it's
Mm.
called Black, not the color Black.
Okay, I'm sorry for that. All right. So, where is he now? Do you
He,
have any idea?
he is staying home with me, but he's on work.
I see. Okay. So how about your grandmother? Does she have any pets right now?
No, she hates pets.
Why do you think she hates pets?
She isn't an animal person. She
Mm.
isn't a cat's grandma.
I see. Okay. How about do you like watching movies about cats?
No,
Why
there are no
not?
movies of cats.
I'm sorry?
There are no movies. Um, there are no movies about cats I could find.
There. There it is. Do you know the Garfield movie?
I don't like Garfield.
Why?
But I know him.
Why you don't like Garfield? He is cute and big.
Yeah,
Why you don't like Garfield?
because I don't like him.
Is that so? Is there any reason why you don't like Garfield?
No, that's all. I don't like cartoons.
Mm, I see. Okay. How about your mother? Does your mother like cats?
No, she's allergic.
I'm sorry?
She's allergic.
Oh, she is allergic. But your cats is at your home, right?
Yeah,
And how that possible? Because she is allergic and your cats are at home.
yeah. So she had to move to another home.
Oh, so your mother will move to another home instead of the cats.
Yeah.
Mm, okay. That sounds interesting. Mm-hmm. How big are your cats now? I mean, do you know their weight and their height?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Do you bring them to the pet shop for any grooming?
I groom her at my home.
What do you use?
I use a cat groomer.
Is it a scissor or a razor?
No, it's it hurts them.
So what do you use? What kind of
I use my
tools?
regular I don't know. I actually groom her with my hands.
How about shampoo? Do you buy them shampoo?
Yeah. Yeah,
What
we
kind?
do.
What kind of food do they eat?
They eat
Is that in
they
can
soup,
or
cat soup.
cat soup? I see. Do you cook that or it is ready to eat from a bottle?
No, it's actually from a stick.
Stick?
It's from a stick,
Oh, and then
and then I squirt it out.
do you put some hot water or no?
I don't put. I don't. Why would I put hot water? They an adult.
Because you said it's a soup, cat soup.
Yeah, but why should it be hot? Can't you eat cold?
And you also mentioned it stick.
It's in a stick. Yeah.
Mhm. All right. Okay. How about their uh, conditioner? Do you have any conditioner for them?
No, we have a
How
conditioner, but they don't like us. They don't like staying with the conditioner.
how about cologne or powder?
I actually I don't. I have none of that. I treat my pet like a wild cat, except for
Mm.
and letting them stay at my home and feeding them. Then nothing else. Cleaning the litter box or something. Yeah,
I see. Okay. How about I mean, is it easy or difficult to groom a cat?
it's easy. Super.
Mm. How many hours do you spend
Spend for
for grooming your cat?
um. Oh, I remember. I don't groom my cat.
You just said a while ago that you are the one who groom your cats because you don't bring them to the pet's shop.
Yeah, I actually don't like grooming them. Like my dad doesn't even know what's grooming.
How about nails? Grooming, it means when you bring your pets in the pet shop and
My dad, not me.
they do shower, they do cut nails, they do toothbrushing. They can do that in your pets. Have you tried to bring them in a pet shop?
Yeah, of course to vaccinate them or buy toys for them.
I'm sorry?
We bring them to the pet shop to buy toys for them.
Oh, just to buy toys for them.
Yeah, did you hear that correctly?
What kind of toys did you buy for them?
I forgot. I
You,
don't know. I don't know what kinds of toys it's called.
how about clothes?
Clothes.
Do you buy them
I
some
don't.
clothes?
I told you I don't buy clothes for them.
Why not?
Why do we need clothes? It's just an accessory.
Mm-hmm.
So useless and time wasting and ugly.
Mm. Okay. How about their drinks? Do they drink water or something?
They drink water.
Fl- flavored drinks. How about vitamins? Do they have vitamins?
Yes, they do.
How many vitamins do they have?
I forgot. I didn't check.
Why you always forgot? That's your favorite pet.
I have depression.
You shouldn't forget about your pets, right? Especially you love talking about cats.
I have short memory, and can you appreciate that? Can you like
Mm.
appreciate that? I have short memory. Can you even
Mm.
appreciate that, or you don't like it?
That's sad to know. It's not just I don't like it. I'm just sad that you have a short memory for your age. Supposed to be you have a large memory because you're just, how old are you now?
I'm just 10.
You're just 10. Supposed to be you have a large memory.
Oh, I don't
Supposed
have
to be you remember everything, especially the one that you likes, the one that your favorites.
no.
Okay. Thank you for sharing all of that, seaweeds. Since you don't like talking about our topic for today or our lesson about present tense contrast, all right. So you want to talk about animals, and that's it. All right. Thank you for sharing. And also, don't forget your homework about the word exhibit and about the word veterinarian and about the word cashier job description. All right, so we are going to talk about that next time.
Yeah,
It's your homework. Okay?
yeah.
All right, so yes, I think we still have more time. All right, can you see your pets there? Where are they?
They are at my home, which I am currently at right now.
You mean you are at your room?
Yeah,
Bedroom?
yeah.
Mm. They are also at your bedroom?
No, they're somewhere. They're outside. Each room
Oh, may-
separated.
maybe they are in the kitchen.
Maybe.
What is their or where is their favorite place at your home?
Favorite place? Mostly
Yes,
living room.
favorite
Yeah.
place. The
Which
one
is
we
right.
staying always, like in the kitchen, in the dining room.
No. What do you mean? Say again.
Where is their favorite place in your
I
house?
told you it's the living room.
Living room. Okay. All right. Thank you very much, Seaweed. And I hope to see you next time. Thank you so much for your time. And this is the end of our lesson for today. Bye for now.
Bye. See you later.